We're here on a motion for enforcement that was previously filed on May 14th of 2025 by the Miss Armus. And it's come to the court's attention that there are some agreements, and the only issue that the court needs to take up is the contempt portion. Is that correct, counsels?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Okay, if you want to proceed, Attorney Adamson, and read the agreements into the record.
Judge, the agreement is that a judgment will be found for child support arrearage in the amount of $69,612.82. A judgment would be entered for medical arrears in the amount of $24,140.96. The ongoing child support in the amount of $1,237 would continue. The ongoing medical support of $250 would continue. That in addition to those two payments, a payment towards the arrearage on child support in the amount of $250 a month would be added. And in the amount of $150 a month for medical support would be added, making a total of just under $2,000 per month.
Okay. Does that conclude the agreement, counsel?
Yes, Judge. The judgment as of dates is November 30th, 2025 for both amounts.
All right. And regarding the contempt, the court will take up testimony on that. Well, before we do that, what is the issue with contempt specifically?
I think the issue is simply no one wants to be held in contempt, Judge. I don't know that there is a defense to it. I'll let Mr. Castillo address that. We have agreed to forego any jail time for now, pending future obedience to the court orders.
Okay. All right. So, well, Mr. Castillo, jail time is not, let me make sure this is, okay, Mr. Castillo, jail time is not the only option for contempt. You understand that, right?
Yes, I think I do, yes.
Okay, so if you're held in contempt, you could also be placed on community supervision, probation?
I did not know that, but now I do, yes.
Yes, so even if I were to find you in contempt, that doesn't necessarily mean that I have to place you in jail.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm not trying to change your mind. I just want to make sure you understand that. And so I'm going to ask, does that change your mind about wanting to proceed with having a hearing on contempt, if that's an option for you?
That's an option. I would not like to continue.
Okay. So what I can do is, Attorney Adamson, if you would have a conversation with Mr. Castillo, that'll give me an opportunity to bring the community supervision officer into the courtroom, and that way he can get their contact information.
Happy to do that, Judge.
Okay, so let me place you all back in a waiting room. Excuse me, waiting room, breakout room. Okay, so in regards to contempt, is the agreement to find that Mr. Castillo is in contempt of court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is the remaining agreement?
That there'd be 12 months of the community supervision in lieu, and the sentence would be stayed pending continued payments being made.
All right. Did you all have an opportunity to discuss, in the event that payments aren't made and there is a motion to revoke file, what that sentence would look like?
No, ma'am. I assumed it'd be the normal 180, but we did not go into specifics with Ms. Castillo.
Okay. So Mr. Castillo, typically it is 180 days per violation. Okay. But Mr. Adamson, if that were to happen, Mr. Castillo, that's not to say that it will happen, okay? As long as you stay on top of doing what you're supposed to do on community supervision, you don't ever have to worry about triggering that portion. But Attorney Addison, are you asking that the for the violation that it's 180 days to run concurrent?
We would have it run concurrently, yes, Judge.
Okay, so Mr. Castillo, that means that instead of the 180 days per violation, it'll be 180 days in total if your community supervision were to be revoked. Do you understand that?
What does it mean by 180?
180 days. So you'll be placed on community supervision. I'll be with you all in just a minute, okay? You'll be placed on community supervision for the 12-month period. So in that 12-month period, you just have to make your payments on time for child support as well as your medical support. If for any reason you fail to abide by the court order, like your court order to do so, Ms. Armus could file a motion to revoke your community supervision for that 12 months. And then you could potentially be placed in jail at that time, but the jail sentence will not exceed 180 days.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So the community supervision officer, he might be busy. He's not available right now, but Attorney Adamson, when you prepare the order, could you just make sure that you put that statutory language in there for the probation department? What the sentence will be, that the 180 days will run concurrent, and that Mr. Castillo is to report as ordered by the community supervision department?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else for the or did you all discuss attorney's fees at all?
No, ma'am, we didn't, and I should have.
Okay. Yes, you all should discuss attorney's fees. Because Mr. Castillo, as a part of contempt. Now, granted, you all can discuss it and decide not to do it right now, Attorney Adamson. And you can waive that right now. Well, not waive it, excuse me. You can reserve it to bring up potentially at a motion to revoke if you choose to do that.
I would need to talk to my client instead of doing that, Judge. Can we jump into the breakout room one more time? I apologize.
No problem. Just you and your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what did you all come to?
We decided, Judge, that we would do the contempt with a 1-year supervision. And like everything we said earlier, that's the only addition we have.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. We were on attorney's fees. I'm sorry. It's been so long, I forgot. No, the attorney's fees we're going to reserve if there's a violation.
Okay. So we're back on the record. So we took a break for you all to discuss the attorney's fees as it relates to the contempt. And counsel, you can go ahead and state what you all's agreement was.
So the agreement is that we're going to reserve attorney's fees, any judgment on that pending any violation in the future.
Perfect. Thank you all. And thank you all for your patience, and thank you all for working this out too, okay? Attorney Adamson, how long do you need to prepare the order?
7 days is fine, Judge.
All right, so let me put you all on a, I'm going to put you all on a dismissal docket for the order entry. And then I'm also going to do a report back because Mr. Castillo, I want to check in and see how everything is going, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll do 6 months. So pull out you all's calendar. So that'll put us around what, August?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so right now the dismissal docket, the earliest I have is February 13th, that's next Friday. And Mr. Castillo, the way that works, Mr. Attorney Adamson is going to prepare an order, and you'll have an opportunity to review the order after he sends it to you. You can agree, if everything looks good, you can agree to it, or you don't have to agree, right? And if you choose not to agree, you all will show up on that day and you'll state whatever your disagreement is, and the judge will more than likely sign the order. If you do agree, you can sign the order, or you don't have to sign it because the only signature on it that matters is mine. And if that were to happen, you don't have to worry about appearing on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let me go ahead and add this to the docket. Give me a minute. All right, so I have added you all to the entry/dismissal docket for February 13, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. That'll be before Judge Lee. Let me give you this Zoom code. Let me know when you all are ready.
I'm ready.
It's 961-1106-4392.
Got it.
All right. Any questions before we are done?
Did you want to set the 6-month review date as well, Judge?
Thank you. Thank you. I forgot that fast. So August, are there any dates that you all are not available in August?
No, ma'am.
No.
All right. So first available I have is the week. Do you know when advance? Do you know if advance is going to be the 3rd or the 10th?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't been advanced in a while.
Let's do the 3rd. If you all are available, it'll be via Zoom.
I can do that.
All right.
I can as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, August 10th to the 13th, by the way, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Castillo, can you do August 3rd?
Yes, I can.
And that'll be in front of me via Zoom. So let me go ahead and swear you in. Raise your right hand. Well, state your name.
Clayton Castillo.
All right. I am swearing you in to reappear on Monday, August 3rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same Zoom code you used today, 688-044-0164. Your failure to appear at their report back date could result in a KPs being issued for your arrest. Do you understand those instructions?
I understand.
Do you have any questions about those instructions?
No.
Okay, you may lower your hand. Is there anything else for the record?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Joey, do you have Shelton's email address? I can at least give it to Mr. Castillo right now. Mr. Castillo, let me go ahead and give you, and Miss Attorney Adamson, you can have it too, since we're on here. Is it the same Shelton.Brown? I believe it's Shelton, SHELT as in Tom, ON as in Nancy, .Brown, BROWN at dallascounty.org.
Got it.
All right. All right. Thank you all again, and we'll see you back in August.
Thank you.
Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you.